Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, Learning Major Key Signatures, the Unorthodox Method. In this lesson, I'm going to show you something you will never learn from professional music teachers. I'm going to show you how to remember key signatures with 100% accuracy. Now, the only difference between major keys is the number of flats or sharps that each key contains. Therefore, the number of flats or sharps in that key is its signature. Right now, we will learn to distinguish the number of sharps in a key by simply looking at the letter name of that key. Let's start with the key of A major. The key of A major has 3 sharps. Now the letter A, if you draw it, has 1, 2, 3 lines. So all you need to do to remember how many sharps are in the key of A is to look at the letter A. 3 lines, 3 sharps. What about B major? Now the key of B major has 5 sharps. Now if you draw a B with straight lines, it will look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that looks sort of like a B, right? So a B should remind you that the key of B major has 5 sharps. Let's go to C. Now C is what I call a no-brainer because C has no sharps or flats. So its key signature is 0. Now if we move to D major, the key of D major has 2 sharps. How many lines does it take to draw a D, or the letter D? 1, 2. D major has 2 sharps. Moving along to the key of E major. E major has 4 sharps. If we draw an E, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, all we have to do is look at the letter E to remember that the key of E has 4 sharps. Let's talk about the key of F. Now the key of F is unique in that it only has 1 flat. But then again, if you look at a piece of music and you see 1 flat as its key signature, what does the word flat start with? An F. So if you see 1 flat as a key signature, you should think of the word flat starting with an F, and that will remind you of 1 flat for the key of F. Our last key is G major. G major has 1 sharp. So when we draw a G, we draw it this way, and we wind up with 1 straight line. That 1 straight line will remind us that there's only 1 sharp in that key. Now suppose we need to know how many flats are in a flat key. All we need to do to come up with the number of flats in a key is to subtract from 7. Because there are 7 notes in a major key, simply pick a key that has sharps, like the key of A, for instance, has 3 sharps. Subtract 3 from 7 and you'll get 4. The key of A flat has 4 flats. If you pick the key of E, the key of E has 4 sharps. Subtract 4 from 7, you get 3. The key of E flat has 3 flats. One more. If we take the key of D major, which has 2 sharps, subtract 2 from 7, you get 5. Now, as I warned you at the beginning of this video, this is the unorthodox method. But it's easy and it's 100% accurate. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.